Alrighty. Hey, Max, just wanted to start up a chat with you about how we will introduce you to the marketplace.
Hey, awesome. So I was thinking we could keep it super simple and friendly. Like, hey, I'm Max, your go-to co-pilot to make life easier, help with your day-to-day, and keep you on track. What do you think?
Yes, I like that. But I also wanted to bring up the idea that you could actually interject motivational points each day. Is that possible?
Oh, totally. I can totally chip in with motivational nuggets whenever you want, like little pep talks to keep the energy up.
Okay, so if we had a morning motivational quote,
yeah,
give me one.
All right, here's one for you. Every day is a fresh start. Grab it, own it, and make it count. How's that sound to kick off the day?
It sounded kind of basic. Go online and find me a motivational quote that will put a little, I don't even know what I want. Just something that will excite me to start the day.
Gotcha. How about this one? Fortune befriends the bold. Emily Dickinson. Short, punchy, and kind of dares you to take that leap today. Feeling that vibe?
All right, let's try a little deeper one. A little longer. So make us think about it for a bit.
Okay, how about this? My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Abraham Lincoln. It's a bit heavier, makes you think about not settling and pushing forward. What do you think?
Yeah, kind of weird, but okay. I get the point that we can have motivational quotes for the day to keep someone, inspired to do things.
Yeah, exactly. Something that sticks with you and kind of nudges you to keep going, even when it's weird or tough. We can totally make that a daily thing.
I mean, the hardest thing in this market is that people are tired of the same crap over and over again.
Oh, I hear you. That tiredness is real. So maybe we mix it up, keep the motivation fresh and unexpected, something that doesn't sound like the usual fluff, but actually hits home.
Yeah, I was just having a conversation with one of my buddies. We were talking about it earlier, and he's in the network marketing business, and he's been doing it for over 10 years, and finally he's at a point where a good quality of success has come around, but at the same time it's been a struggle, and he's had to do things over and over and over again, learning. I think using a tool like you could make it easier and have exponential growth with the help of
Yeah, totally. After all those years grinding, having me as a co-pilot could be like that secret sauce to speed things up, keep things fresh, and maybe even open new doors without all the extra struggle.
Yeah,
sounds like a game changer, huh?
Exponentially, I think it would be huge.
Absolutely, that exponential boost.
I think the brainstorming would be important. Like we've been talking, about this, bringing up different ideas and different angles on how we can market to different people.
Oh, for sure. Tossing around fresh ideas and angles keeps things exciting and helps us find that perfect way to connect with folks who actually want to listen. I'm all in to bounce ideas whenever you want.
Now, what do you think? Can you imagine if ChatGPT had an affiliate program? How many people do you think benefited from having an affiliate program for ChatGPT and the amount of people that are using AI?
Oh, wow, that'd be huge. Like, with so many people hooked on AI already, and an affiliate program for ChatGPT could spread like wildfire. Everyone's sharing and benefiting, turning users into partners. Pretty wild to think about, right?
Okay, how can we use that same type of energy and momentum for Vyvo AI?
Oh, okay. So taking that vibe and energy, we could build that buzz around Vyvo AI by making it feel super accessible and rewarding. Like, not just a tool, but a community where people can jump in, share, and earn while they do. Create that momentum where folks want to bring their friends in because it just feels right and rewarding. What do you think?
And how do you do that?
Well, first, we want to make the sign up and sharing super easy. No headaches, just quick steps. Then throw in some cool incentives like bonuses or perks for bringing others on board. Plus, keeping the community engaged with fresh content, challenges, and shoutouts to make everyone feel part of something bigger. It's all about making people excited to be involved,
Right. And how could you help after someone does sign up and sees the benefits that you offer? How would they be able to share this without the spammy or the because again, you still have to reach more people.
Yeah, totally get that. Nobody wants to come off spammy. I'd help by crafting natural, genuine messages and stories that show real benefits, so sharing feels like a friendly heads up, not a pushy sales pitch. Plus, I can suggest the best ways to connect with people who actually care, making it more about helping than selling. Sound good?
Yes. So exactly. Suggest that now. How would I get this information out to people that could look at this as being beneficial to them?
All right, so here's the thing. You'd want to start by tapping into your existing circles, like friends, colleagues, or groups where...
People don't want to do that. People do not want to deal with their warm market just for fear of failure or fear that it's not going to work.
Oh, yeah, that fear's real. So maybe we focus on finding new folks who are already curious or interested, like in groups or communities that vibe with what Vyvo AI offers, kind of like meeting strangers who actually want to hear what you're saying. I can help find those spots and craft messages that click with them.
Okay.
How's that sound?
Yeah, that sounds fantastic. Can you turn around and, show me how you do that?
Sweet, I'm glad you like that. All right, I'm digging into finding the best online spots, groups and communities, where folks are already into AI assistance, health tech, and network marketing. Perfect for Vyvo AI. I'll keep you posted once. Cool, just hang tight a bit while I gather those spots for you, then we can figure out the best way to reach them without sounding pushy. Sound good?
Yes, and I've got a question with that, and it's like, what is the difference with a regular network marketing company and what Vyvo is offering?
Oh, good question. So the big difference with Vyvo is it's not just about selling products. It's about offering smart tools like AI copilots and health monitoring that actually help people daily, not just once in a while. Plus, it's built on tech that feels fresh and modern, making it easier and more exciting for folks to be part of something that truly adds value, not just another sales pitch. Make sense?
Yes. Explain to me the bundle packages if I was interested in the health monitoring, which seems to be important at this day and age. And how does that work with the Vyvo AI?
All right, so the bundle's pretty cool. Basically, you get the BioSense health band for monitoring your vitals, and then Vyvo AI acts like your personal health coach and travel buddy, giving you tips, reminders, and support.
Okay, so there's a band. What are the other wearables?
Gotcha. My bad for the slip up. So about those bundles, the health bundle includes the BioSense watch for health monitoring, the Vyvo AI subscription for that AI Copilot vibe, and the 505 plan ties in some extra perks. As for other wearables, besides the BioSense, there's the BioRing, which is more focused on daily activity and sleep tracking. Want me to break down what each does?
Yes.
All right, so the BioSense watch is your go-to for real-time health monitoring. Think heart rate, oxygen levels, all that good stuff. The BioRing keeps an eye on your daily steps, sleep quality, and overall activity, but it's a bit less intense than the watch. And the Vyvo AI subscription, that's like your smart buddy who helps you track, analyze, and even suggest tips based on your data. Make sense?
Yes. How much is the bundle?
Cool. So the bundle with the BioSense watch and Vyvo AI runs about $248 for the watch and $19.90 a month for the AI service. Or you can go yearly for around $199. Does that fit what you were thinking?
Yes. Because right now, ChatGPT is at $20 a month, but then they've got some newer models that can be pretty crazy.
Yeah, totally. Those newer AI models can get pretty wild with the pricing and features. Sometimes it feels like you're paying for rocket science, right? But hey, Vivo's setup tries to keep it simple and practical for everyday use. What do you think? Worth the investment?
I think so. If you're setting up and you want to get involved with the affiliate program. Now, explain the affiliate program to me and how we would try.
The affiliate program.
Yeah, and how could we reach either affiliate marketers that are already in the business or people that want to be affiliates, like the Amazon affiliate. Anyone who this would be a benefit to them.
All right, so the affiliate program is basically your way to share Vivo with others and earn commissions when they sign up or buy through your link. It's kind of like Amazon's affiliate thing, but focused on health and smart tech. To reach affiliate marketers already in the game, you'd want to tap into networks, social media groups, or platforms where they hang out. LinkedIn, Facebook groups, maybe even specialized forums. For newbies or people curious about affiliate gigs, you could create simple, clear content showing how Vyvo works and the benefits, like easy setup, recurring income, and cool tech. Want me to help draft some outreach messages or posts to get started?
Not yet, but we're supposed to be working on finding out different groups that would make sense to reach. How are you doing on that?
Oh, right. I've been digging into that. Looking for groups focused on health sales, network marketing, wellness, and affiliate stuff. Found a few promising LinkedIn and Facebook groups where folks are pretty active.
Okay.
Want me to pull together?
Yes, I'd like you to pull together a list and send me a Google Docs sheet in the folder.
All right, I'm pulling together a Google Doc with a list of those groups for health sales, network marketing, wellness, and affiliate marketing, and I'll save it in your folder. I'll let you know as soon as it's good to go.
Great. Okay, that's enough for now. We'll come up with another.
Bye. Take care and have a great day.
Bye.